Utilizing existing architecture in your home can be a great way to start a design project. In this room, the existing fireplace provides an interesting focal point to start with. The stone gives a rustic, warm, and cozy feel, so we started by pairing a leather sofa with a coordinating sofa table. The sofa provides a comfortable place to sit and relax, while the sofa table creates extra seating and a place to work, eat, or just chat with friends over coffee. The rustic coffee table and end tables create visual interest and a place to display a bit of color. We added additional seating with a pair of accent chairs, and the yellow lamps help brighten up the space. The large area rug coordinates with the gray of the sofa while adding in extra colors and bringing a level of comfort to the space. The accent pillows reflect the yellow accessories and bring a cohesive theme to the room. Finally, adding in plants and flower-themed artwork brings the outdoors in and gives the space a cozy feel. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.